Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's learn how to set time or adjust time on your Windows 11. So if you're having the issue of time on your Windows 11, let's get it done. So this is what we have here. We scroll down to your taskbar and come exactly to where you have your time and date. So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to see adjust date and time. So I'll be tapping on adjust date and time. So if you want to set up your date and time by yourself automatically, you have to switch this off. So this is what you get now. So you can set the date and the time manually. So I'll click on change. Then here you can decide to put the time, slot in the time and exact date that is correct. And once you're done, you click on the stick and you can change your date also and click on change. So once you're done, you can actually click this to, if you wanted to set the date and time automatically, you can just actually turn this on. Then you're going to get your date and time. You can decide to not show this, or you can decide to show it. I prefer showing this here in my system tray, and you can set your time zone automatically. Mine, I'm using West Central Africa time as +1 GMT. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is how to get your time set and adjusted in Windows 11. Thank you.